Hey you guys, this is Angela of Earrings by Angela. Hey, I just wanted to do a really quick video on how to open and close a jump ring the right way. Okay, because you know what? There's something sexy about this. There is a kiss involved. Let's get started. So first you want to grab your round nose pliers and picking up the jump ring, you want to make sure that you see that split right there, that little slit. Okay, so on the other side, you want to take your flat nose pliers and instead of pulling apart this way, which is the wrong way, let me close this back up. You want to twist in opposite directions. So that slit is open. Pull them apart that way. Add on what you're going to add on and then bring them back closer. And you should hear a little click like a kiss. Let's do that again. Pull them apart in opposite directions, add what you're going to add, and bring them closer like a kiss. So if you forget that, here's the story really quick. Two teenagers in a hallway, middle school, in by the staircase, trying to get a quick kiss in, and that's what they do. They're together. So the principal is coming down the hallway, they come apart, principal disappears, they come back together, mwah, kiss, and boom, they go back to class. That's the end of this tutorial, you guys. It's that simple. I hope you enjoyed the story. Hey, click the link in the comment area, in the description, and sign up for the free basic jewelry class. I'd love to teach you further. Have a great one, you guys, and keep creating.